How to fix YubiKey Manager FIDO2 FIDO2 error message on Windows. Failed connecting to the YubiKey. Make sure the application has the required permissions. So if you have just installed your YubiKey Manager on your Windows PC and you've opened it up automatically post installation, so I've got the YubiKey Manager right here as a shortcut. I'm just going to double click on it just to open it, just to mimic what you've done and be at the same stage. So you've got your YubiKey Manager open and you need to insert your YubiKey. So I'm just going to insert my YubiKey now. Once done, your YubiKey has been detected by the YubiKey Manager. You've then clicked on Applications, and then you've clicked on FIDO2 to configure your FIDO2 application. And then at the very bottom in red, you can see you've been greeted with the error message which says, failed connecting to the YubiKey, make sure application has the required permissions, and you're taken back to the Home tab of your YubiKey Manager. So you might be a little frustrated and wondering what to do to be able to set your FIDO2 pin. For the YubiKey Manager on Windows, you'll need to run it as administrator. So first, you'll need to close the YubiKey Manager that you've currently got open. So I'm going to click on the X here at the top right of the application to close it. Then what you're going to need to do is locate your YubiKey Manager. I've got a shortcut right here, but you can click on search if you don't have a shortcut and locate the YubiKey Manager. Once you've done that, right click on it and then click on run as administrator. You'll then be greeted with the user account control, which asks you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have the option to click on no or yes. Of course, if you want to fix this issue, you'll need to click on yes to open the YubiKey Manager as admin. I've still got my YubiKey plugged in, so as you can see, it's automatically detected again. I'm going to click on Applications and then FIDO2 once again. And there we go. This time around, we are able to set and reset the FIDO2 pin. So currently there's no pin set for the FIDO2 pin, and that is because this is a brand new YubiKey straight from the factory. So to set a pin, I'm going to click on Set Pin, and then I'm going to enter a new pin. So I'm just going to type that in now, and then I'm going to confirm that pin. And then I'm going to click on Set Pin. And there we go, the FIDO2 pin is now set. And we no longer have to deal with that error message, preventing us from configuring the FIDO2 application on your YubiKey. So that concludes this video on how to fix the YubiKey Manager FIDO2 error message on Windows. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.